I'm the Unforgettable Gourmet. My name is Angela Billings, and I'm here in Opelika, Alabama. Today, I'm preparing pears for a pear pie. I know, I can hear you out there. Pear pie? You've heard of apple pie, but how would pears taste? Well, it's similar to the apple pie texture, a little softer, but it depends on how you prepare the pears, is what kind of texture you're going to get. I want them a little softer because these are fresh pears right off the tree. And so I am going to saute them lightly with just a little olive oil and butter. And then I will prepare them into my pie crust. Okay, two things, okay? If you want a homemade pie crust, by all means try that with just a little all-purpose flour, cold butter, and ice cold water. Just a couple of tablespoons at a time until it forms a ball, okay? And then you know, you can just work it from there. But today I'm using a prepared crust, and the reason I just got this from the freezer crust, and well, frozen crust. And you know, the reason I chose this refrigerated crust, it's actually refrigerated, not frozen. But the reason is because for a lot of cooks today, a lot of moms today, come back up, they're really rushing, they're working, and some people are going to school and working and trying to take care of their families at the same time. This is just a quick little step that you don't have to make a homemade crust if you don't choose to. And so today we're going to use refrigerated prepared crust. Okay, right here I have my pears, and I'm just kind of like on my last, probably I got maybe one or two more that I'm going to cut up. But we have some pears, and like I said, I'm going to saute them in a little olive oil and butter. Right here, we have a crumb topping that I made. And this, instead of using it as a crumb topping, like on top of an apple streusel or a brown betty, apple brown betty, it's kind of similar to that. The thing I put in here that's different or unique to my style is oatmeal. I love oatmeal, and I love adding oatmeal to cookies and also to pies and cakes. It just gives you another texture. It gives you moistness, you know, a chewy texture in cookies and cakes. It keeps your cake very moist, and you don't use a lot, so you can't really say, oh, there's oatmeal in this cake. You never know. You just know something is just really good, and that will be oatmeal. So I have a little oats in here. I have brown sugar, and I have butter, and I have a lot of cinnamon. The cinnamon will allow the pears to take on the apple pie taste. So the pear pie will taste like an apple pie. A little bit more, I'll tell you in just a few minutes. Right now I have to take a commercial break. Be right back.